angle of inclination greater than angle of repose. Its meaning is it have more slope. This is a rough inclined plane. That means today I discuss friction. This is the rough surface. In this rough surface, here body is placed. Body is placed. Here body initially rest. Because of more slope, it moving downward. Okay, this is the situation. In the situation, first to determine the acceleration of the body. What is the formula yesterday? A equal to G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Okay. Next one, second one is here length of the inclined plane is L. In this situation, body starts from top of the plane, ends to bottom of the plane. Here to here, body takes some time. The time formula is time taken by the body to reach the bottom from top. The formula is 2L by G sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Okay. Yesterday I discussed the third formula. Block reach the bottom. At bottom, its velocity is v. Velocity of the block at bottom of the rough inclined plane. The formula is 2G L sin theta minus mu k cos theta. These three formulas yesterday I discussed. Okay. These three formulas yesterday I discussed. This is the rough inclined plane. Here body slide down. Now same plane Nana. Identical plane. This is the inclined plane Nana. Inclined plane. Angle of inclination is theta. In the situation, the body is here Nana. A body initially rest, simply u becomes 0. Here length of the inclined plane is L. But in the situation, this is not a rough inclined plane. This is a smooth inclined plane. This is the smooth inclined plane. Automatically coefficient of friction take approximately 0. Look here now. This is the smooth inclined plane. Smooth inclined plane means its friction becomes 0. Simply coefficient of friction is 0. In the situation also body acceleration. Look here. Here mu value 0. 0 into anything 0. What is the formula for acceleration of a sliding body? On smooth inclined plane, G sin theta. The second formula, body slides here to here, top to bottom, taken time is T equal to. In this formula also coefficient of friction is 0. 0 into anything 0. Because the plane is smooth identical plane. Okay, look here. G sin theta. The third formula is velocity. Body reach here to here. At bottom, velocity of the body is determined. Here, velocity of the body is. Here, mu value is 0. 0 into anything 0. Finally, we get under root 2 G L sin theta. These three equations applicable only for The plane is smooth. The plane is smooth inclined plane. In the smooth inclined plane, coefficient of friction is 0. Next, Nana, look here, all of you. The question is, two identical inclined planes is taken. Again, I repeat procedure. I take two inclined planes. One is rough, another one is smooth. Both are identical. That means same length, same angle. In the situation here, a body is placed here, a body is placed here. In the situation here, which is quickly to reach the bottom, here no friction, so it will be quickly reach. It కొంచెం స్లోగా రీచ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఎక్కడ more time పడుతుంది, takes more time on rough. The question is, if time taken by the sliding body on rough inclined plane is n times of the time taken by the sliding body on smooth inclined plane. In the situation, find coefficient of friction. This is the question. What is the question? Here takes more time because this is the rough plane. How much times are more? N times are more. N times compared to smooth. This is the question, Nana. Find coefficient of friction. In the situation, what is the question? First to take the question, Nana. T rough. Just previous concept I discussed, time taken by the body on a rough inclined plane is under root 2L by G sin theta minus mu k cos theta equal to, right side n is there, smooth inclined plane time is 2L by G sin theta. Here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, 2L by, look here now, G sin theta minus mu k cos theta equal to, squaring on both sides, n square into 2L by G sin theta. 2L cancel. G cancel. Here cross multiply, Nana. Look here. Sin theta equal to n square. This denominator, other side numerator. N square multiply n square sin theta minus n square mu k cos theta. Look again. Denominator other side numerator, denominator other side numerator. Here sin lanni one side, Nana, remaining lanni other side, minus other side plus. Here n square mu k cos theta, n square mu k cos theta. Right side, look here, Nana, n square sin theta minus sin theta. Join in, plus other side minus. In the right side, which will be common? Sin theta common, Nana. Here n square minus 1. Our agenda is to find the coefficient of friction, mu k into n square into cos theta. Here other side denominator, sin theta by cos theta equal to tan theta. Simply mu k equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 whole by n square. Finally we get mu k equal to tan theta into here n square by n square, write 1 minus 1 by n square. Very important formula. The question is time taken by the sliding body on rough inclined plane is n times of the time taken by the sliding body on smooth inclined plane. In the situation, what is the coefficient of friction? Coefficient of friction formula is, finally we get tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. Very important. Tan theta into 1 minus 1 by n square. Hold. Hold. This is the inclined plane. Angle of inclination is theta. This is the rough inclined plane. In the situation, body initially rest. This is the length of the inclined plane. Finally, this body reached the bottom. Here, at the bottom, velocity is v. This is the diagram. In the situation, acceleration of the body on rough inclined plane is sin theta minus mu k cos theta. What is the second formula? Total time taken by the body to reach the bottom of the inclined plane is g sin theta minus mu k cos theta. Next, velocity of the body to reach the bottom of the inclined plane is 2gl sin theta minus mu k cos theta. These three formulas are applicable body sliding down. Now, reverse case. Look here now. This is the identical rough inclined plane. This is the angle theta. In the situation, initially body is bottom of the inclined plane with initial velocity u. Here body moving upward. This is rough inclined plane. Again says here body moving up the plane, just reach the top of the plane. Its final velocity is 0. In the situation, body moving up the plane. In the situation, acceleration formula is, this is sliding down అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏమొచ్చింది మైనస్, ఎనలాగస్ గా రాదు. This is up the plane అయితే ఏమొస్తుందో చెప్పాలి, g sin theta మైనస్ ఉన్న కాడ ఏం రాద్దాం ప్లస్ mu k cos theta. This is applicable acceleration of the body move up the plane. Equation number 1. Okay. Here initial velocity u, final velocity is 0. Simply this is called negative acceleration. This is called retardation. So that's why here write minus. Next, time taken by the body to reach bottom to top. Here also minus ఉన్న కాడ ఏం పెట్టాలని చెప్పాను, జునా అయితే 2l by. Look here minus, remove to right, plus g sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Okay nana, look here. Next nana, here velocity. Here at the bottom the velocity is u. Under root minus ఉన్న కాడ ఏం పెడదాం 2gl. Look here nana, sin theta. Here minus right, plus mu k cos theta. Look here nana, here minus, here right, plus. These three formulas are applicable body moving up the plane plane మధ్యలో ఏం పెట్టాలి మైనస్ ప్లేస్ లో ప్లస్ 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 రైట్ planes both are rough planes. In the situation one body is sliding down, other body is sliding up, the question is, read question again, listen question perfectly. Time taken by the body sliding down takes more time. How many times? N times compared to time sliding up the plane. In the situation find coefficient of friction. This is the question. This is the heading nana. This is the question nana. We know that sliding down on the rough inclined plane is, we know that 2L by, look here now, G sliding down sin theta minus mu k cos theta equal to right side n times of the under root up the plane. Just previous I discussed 2L by G, here sin theta plus mu k cos theta, here look here plus, squaring on both sides, what happens, the root cancel, 2L cancel, G cancel, finally we get 1 by, look here now, sin theta minus mu k cos theta. In the right side, look here, n square by here, squaring on both sides, root what, cancel, here sin theta plus mu k cos theta, cross multiply, left side we get sin theta plus mu k cos theta, right side, here right side, n square sin theta, look here nana, minus n square mu k cos theta, mu k lanni one side, remaining anni other side, here minus other side plus, simply mu k n square cos theta plus mu k cos theta, left side completed, plus other side minus n square sin theta minus sin theta. Okay, in the left side which will be common, mu k common, cos theta common, remaining is n square plus 1. Right side sin theta common, here n square minus 1. Okay, look here now. In the situation sin by cos tan, what is the final formula for coefficient of friction? Tan theta into n square minus 1 whole by n square plus 1. First to see the question and after apply the formula. The question is, here both are rough inclined plane, but in the situation one body is sliding down, other body is sliding up. The question is, time of sliding down is n times of the time of the body sliding up. This is the question. In the situation, what is the coefficient of friction? Mu k equal to tan theta into n square minus 1 by n square plus 1. In the situation, Alafi, look here. In the situation then, in the situation, this is the rough inclined plane Naveen or Junaid. Here angle of inclination is theta. Here body is placed. The question is body moving up the plane. The question is the minimum force required to pull the body up the plane. The question again I repeat, minimum force required to move the body up the plane. Here body move up the plane, friction act opposite direction. According to inclined plane concept, parallel to slope is mg sin theta. Here the question is minimum force required. Minimum force required means the force is always greater or equal to downward force. mg sin theta plus frictional force. Here downward force 5, upward force 6, then the body moving pull up. But the question is minimum force required to pull the body up. That's why I take both are balanced. Upward force balances by the downward force. Right side. mg sin theta plus friction. Friction means mu k into n. On the inclined plane, what is the value of n? mg cos theta. Here right side common term is mg. Look here. Next sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Here what is the question? Minimum force required. Minimum force required to pull the body up the plane. Once again I repeat, the minimum force required to pull the body up the plane. This is the formula for minimum force required to pull the body up the plane. mg sin theta plus mu k cos theta. Right.